I'm Function Node, your JavaScript buddy inside n8n. Let me show you how easy this is. Your data arrives as items array. You process with JavaScript. Then return the items array. That's it. Here's a simple example. Items.map, arrow function, return item.json plus your new field. This adds a field to every single item in your array. Super useful for data transformation. Use me when set node isn't enough, but code node is too much. I'm the sweet spot. Critical rule. Always return an array, even if it's one item in brackets. Don't forget this. Pro tip. Console.log is your debugging friend. Check execution log after running. Comment function for examples.